Good day everybody, today in front of me I have this OPPO Reno 7 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show you the top 5 tips for this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is the fact that you can set up your fingerprint or face as the unlock method on this device. So in order to access this setting, you gotta open up the settings app. Here look for the password and security, and here we have face and fingerprint that we can set up either separately or set up both at the same time. So let's start with the fingerprint. The system will require us to install the backup unlock method. I'll go with the pattern, set up the pattern, confirm it. Okay, and now we gotta go ahead and scan our fingerprint. Just lay in left until the fingerprint picture in here will become green entirely. So just scan the zones that are not yet green. Try to lay your finger in different positions. It might take some time in order to correctly enroll the finger, so just don't rush, take your time and be patient. Alright, so we have successfully enrolled the fingerprint. Let's go ahead and try it out. Fingerprint works just fine. Now we'll go ahead and set up the face unlock as well. All you gotta do in order to set up the face unlock is basically just place your face at this circle frame. I'll do it off the screen real quick. Alright, and right now I'll show you if the face unlock works as well. Yep, as you can see, the lock icon on top is being constantly open, so the phone recognized my face successfully. Okay, so we are moving on to the next tip, which is the fact that you can change the screen refresh rate on this device. In order to access the mentioned setting, just open up the settings app again, go for the display and brightness category. Here scroll down until you find the screen refresh rate section, and here we can choose between high screen refresh rate of 90 Hertz or the standard screen refresh rate of 60 Hertz. So the higher value you choose, the smoother and better animation experience you'll get, and if you'll choose the standard mode, it will basically get you the better and longer battery life. So we are moving on to the next tip, which is the multitasking tip that is called split screen. In order to activate it or access it, just go to the settings again, look for the special features category, and here split screen. And it contains some very basic instructions on how you can work with this mode. In order to activate it from here, you gotta swipe upwards with your 3 fingers. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled the split screen mode, so we can split our screen between 2 apps and do 2 things simultaneously, basically, as you can see. It shows that if an app supports a split screen, you can just touch and hold the recent open button, that's this one, and open the app. In order to open the app in the screen split mode, and etc. Alright, so we are moving on to the next tip, which is the always on display feature. That is the feature that allows you to display some of the crucial information even on the completely disabled and turned off screen. In order to access and enable it, just go to the personalization category of settings. Here, tap on always on display, turn it on. Next, we can choose the display options of this mode. We can either make it so it will be shown only the couple settings after we touch the phone when it's blocked, set some schedule for it so it will be shown only at some particular time frames, or just make it all day. As for right now, as for an example, I'll just enable it to be shown the entire day. Next, we have the section that allows us to regulate what data we want the always on display to show. So we can choose whether we want to see time, date, battery, and notifications. There are some personalized designs that you can make, some custom patterns, text that you can type in, text and picture, or portrait silhouette of the photo or the picture that you'll upload in here from your gallery. And there are also some pre-installed system provided designs, so 15 designs with digital clocks, 10 designs with analog clocks, and like 6 image designs that look pretty, I think. I'll just apply this one. And once you'll turn off, or should I say block your phone, you will see that this always on display is being demonstrated successfully, and from it you can get some very useful information on what time is it, what is your battery state, what date is it, and what are the recent notifications of yours, without actually having to unlock the phone or get to the lock screen, for example. So let's go ahead and move to the next and final tip for this video. That is called the quick launch, that we can access from the settings, special features, and go for quick launch. So once enabled, it allows you to quick access some of the apps by holding, while unlocking the phone, by holding the finger and moving it upwards and choosing what app you want to enable and what app you want to open. For example, I'll just add the search in here, and that's enough. Now I'll demonstrate you how this function is supposed to be used. So we lay our finger to the touch sensor and hold. And now we can open any app we'd like, for example music, and you'll see the app will be opened. So basically the quick launch feature provides us with the quick access to the apps that we will set for it. Alright, so that was it, not only for the last tip, but for this video in general. If you found this clip helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!